working out at River Bois, we've definitely had to kind of scale up in our operations. You know, we're running 16 crew members when we actually are doing our planting and our mixing. Out here we've been running about 36. Had to increase almost double the size of our mixing operations. We had to get some new custom mixing tables built that make it a little bit easier to get all these trees mixed and at a higher production rate. We receive our trees from the nurseries that grow out our bare roots, and they come in 200, usually 200 trees per bag of the individual species. So. And kind of at the beginning of the planting season, we spend almost a full week mixing trees so that we have enough trees mixed and ready in our refrigerated truck so that we can begin planting and not have to stop and start and stop and start. The mixing, it allows for a better planting scheme. You don't have just one row of one single species all the way down. You mix them up and you get better chances of survival and across the entire site. We like to mix as many species as we can, as are available in nurseries and are native to the site that we're working in. So all of our species mixes are handcrafted for the project areas and the sites that we're working in.